Ever tried juggling Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash all at once, only to feel like you need 8 arms and a crystal ball? That's exactly why I downloaded the Mystro Driver app, and after weeks of testing, here's the real story. Mystro's biggest selling point is automation. It automatically switches between Uber and Lyft based on the filters you set, like trip distance, passenger rating, or surge pricing. That means no more fumbling between apps while driving, and yes, it actually makes multitasking safer. For me, it cut down the stress of choosing rides and helped me grab better paying trips without staring at my phone. The app also tracks earnings across platforms, which is huge for seeing if the grind is actually worth it. I loved opening one screen and knowing instantly what my day added up to. On the flip side, it's not perfect. The subscription fee feels steep if you're only driving part time, and sometimes the app lags or misses a request during busy hours. Also, it currently supports only certain markets, so availability can be hit or miss. Still, for full time gig drivers, Maestro can feel like having a digital co pilot. If you want to maximize rides and reduce the chaos of app switching, it's worth considering. Just know you're paying for convenience, not magic.